Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a menu to our Facebook page. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google Facebook, and then you need to log in into your Facebook account, and then you need to select your page, and here you need to hit on the link. Then you need to enter slash and enter menu and hit enter again, and here you can see an option to add a menu. Then you simply need to click on get started, and you need to add details, and you can easily add menu to your Facebook page. So this is a process by which you can add a menu to a Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.